Marilyn. As COVID-19 infections surge in hotspots around the country, there's some good news mixed in with the newly released statistics that paint a grim picture. The White House COVID-19 task force announced this morning that vaccination numbers in the hardest hit states, those are on the rise. Tarek Miner joining us now in studio. Tarek.
Well, unvaccinated Americans in the states seeing the most COVID-19 infections and deaths appear to be heeding the warnings during this latest surge in cases. According to the White House, the vaccination rates are climbing in some states, but for thousands of Americans, the realization has come too late.
People in these states are feeling the impact of being unvaccinated and responding with action.
Coronavirus Task Force Response Director Jeff Zients is talking about increasing vaccination rates in the states of Florida, Arkansas, Louisiana, and Nevada, saying many of the states that account for most of the country's new cases are beginning to experience what some would consider a breakthrough.
For the second week in a row, states with lower vaccination and higher case rates are seeing their vaccination rates grow faster than the national average.
The progress, however, overshadowed by newly released statistics that reveal just how fast the Delta variant has spread. The 7-day average of new infections is up 53%. Hospital admissions over the last week are up 32%. The 7-day average of deaths is up 19%. CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky says the Delta variant is the most infectious respiratory virus she's seen in her 20-year-plus career.
If you are not vaccinated, please take the Delta variant seriously. This virus has no incentive to let up, and it remains in search of the next vulnerable person to infect. Please consider getting vaccinated and take precautions until you do.
White House officials say trusted messengers in key communities are continuing to convince Americans to go and get the vaccine. Testimonies like you may have seen on News4Jax from COVID victims in local intensive care units.
For yourself, your loved ones, everyone, get vaccinated.
Stories like these appear to be making a difference.
1 out of 5 adults who were unsure about the vaccine in January have now been vaccinated. And when asked what changed their mind, it was talking to family, friends, and their doctors and seeing that people they knew had been safely vaccinated. So we need to keep having these conversations.
The White House also announced $1.6 billion in funding to bolster testing and vaccination in homeless shelters, in mental health and substance abuse treatment facilities, and domestic violence shelters. In the past 10 days, 5.2 million Americans have now made up their mind to get the shot.